$751.55. Look at that! How far we've come! Oh my goodness. Simply amazing. All right. Let's see. Okay, guys. Well, tell you what, we broke below the Bollinger midline, and MACD is giving us a sell signal, so I'm opening a put option without any hesitation, not even a slightest hint of it. Darlings, and if you hesitate when it comes to your trading game, I highly recommend you to check out my Telegram channel. The link is in the first pinned comment below this video, so go check it out. And trust me, if you want to explore more trading opportunities and get that confidence boost to understand what you're really doing, that's just the right place. I promise you. And keep it dropping, keep it dropping. And here we go, $28.80. Great first win, feels amazing. Get on the right track right away. That is a great feeling. Next asset pair. And let's see. Okay, time to act. $28.80. And I see that we're dropping from the Bollinger long zone. MACD already confirmed the short, so I am calmly entering a put option. It's time to get that drop once again, and we are going for it. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, drop, drop. And it's dropping. Guys, I've made a terrible mistake of spending too much time on TikTok, and recently the algorithm started to show me all this, God, my skin hurts, all the facelifts in very graphic details. So one thing you want to avoid if you have sensitive personality, just like I do, avoid TikTok altogether. $55.30. Fantastic. Very well done. Okay, slowly but steadily growing. Okay, next pair. Let's see the history and let's see what's up now. And let's place $55.30. I see that the price, ooh, look at that. The trend line has actually been broken downward. The oscillator gives us a strong sell signal, and histogram confirms that that's been going on for a while already. So put option, time to go down once again, and time to see the price drop it. So yeah, what I was saying earlier about this plastic surgeries, guys, it's really, really scary to me. Like I don't know, I'm young, right? So, but the time gets us all. So I don't know what would make me consider getting a facelift, because it's fucking scary. Like they cut you open and then they sew it back. Oh my God, that's the good one, $106.18. And look how huge this red candle got. Telling ya. Okay, let's get the next pair. Let's see the history on this one. And let's increase the bid to $106.18. That's all I got in my account. And we are so going for it. See, the price here is holding around the Bollinger midline, and it's continuing the upward movement. The oscillator also supports growth, so we are going for a long here. Call option all the way up, and let's get it together. Darlings, and if you are eager to explore more trading opportunities, and if you really want to learn how trading actually works, I will help you in my Telegram channel. The link is in the first pinned comment below this video. You're just one click away from all the valuable information I put out there for you. So if you're still waiting, I honestly don't know what you're waiting for, because the market doesn't wait. It keeps moving, and so should you. All right, and I see it's keep growing. Just like I expected, $203.87. Fantastic. What a great result. Okay, let's find the next pair. And let me place $203.87. Well, I see a consolidation under the Bollinger midline, and MACD is showing bearish crossover with the price keep sliding lower and lower. And that tells me one thing. That's right. Put option, time to go all the way down and take the profit. Yes, $391.43. You see, steadily but confidently, we turned $15 into almost $400. Okay, let's see what we can do here. And $391.43, familiar amount, which is our next bid. So, okay, well, time to act. We are breaking above the Bollinger midline, and MACD crossover supports this move. So I'm going ahead and opening a call option, because the one way the price can go is the way up. So let's do this. Yeah, tell me guys, how do you feel about plastic surgeries? Please drop the line in the comments, because I want to hear your opinion. Maybe I'm the only one scared to death of those things. But honestly, seeing like all these videos on TikTok just made me like just really, really resentful towards anything that has to do with the knives and such. You know, I am easily impressed. That's just a part of my nature. That's right. $751.55. Look at that. How far we've come. Oh my goodness. Simply amazing. I have a strong feeling we can go further. And so we should. Okay, maybe this one. Maximum bid $751.55. I'm going all in, and I see the hammer pattern on the growth plus a strong bullish candle. The oscillator is showing global long signal, and that could mean only one thing. It's time to enter a long. Call option, here we go. Let's get it. Make it green. Make it wonderful. $1,442. Guys, here is a live example of what you can do with $15 trading on pocket option. That is just fantastic. I am really, really happy. I love experimenting with this little bits and see how much money I can make if I start so small. And well, It's almost $1,500, which I think it's just thrilling result. And darlings, if you want to learn how trading works and if you want to build consistent results, because it's all about consistency, I will be more than happy to help you in my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video in the first pinned comment. So go click it, check it out, and thank me later. It was a great trading session today. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you back here again very, very soon. Stay awesome.